Hello guys, so for today's video, ang ating pong video is tutorial. Normally kasi kapag mag-a-add ka or gagawa ka ng FB account, ang lalabas is add friend. So for today's video, ituturo ko po sa inyo kung paano na gawing to follow instead na add friend yung lalabas po natin sa mga ginagawang FB account. So follow nyo lang po yung instruction ko and please don't forget to like and subscribe. So, hello guys. So, for today's video, ang topic natin is about sa kung halimbawa yung FB page mo ang nakalagay is add friend at gusto mong maging follow. So, please tapusin mo lang itong ating tutorial para magkaroon ka ng idea kung paano papalitan ang iyong FB ng follow instead na add friend. So, start. Punta tayo sa aking Facebook. So, ayan. Pakita ko lang. So, ganyan kasi yung nakikita nila normally. Add friend. So, gagawin natin is gagawin natin follow. Okay? So, again. Pupunta tayo sa settings and privacy. Then go to settings. Then go to public post. Down natin. Ayan, makikita nyo sa privacy settings, face recognition, profile and tagging, then public post. 1, 2, 3, 4, pang-apat, public post. Then ayan guys, itong who can see your followers on your timeline, kailangan naka-public. Then, public post comments, will allow to comment, dapat naka-public. Then, ito guys, public post notification, you can get notification of people who aren't your friends starting following you and share. So, kailangan rin yan, naka-everyone, nasa yun na yan. So, ito, public profile info. So, kailangan naka-public din to. So, ayan. Basta kailangan naka-public lang siya, guys. Then, back natin. Then, dito sa my privacy settings ulit. Dito. So, next. Balik natin. Settings and privacy. Settings and privacy. Then, next is so, ayan, next is settings, privacy settings, then ito guys, who can send you a friend request. So, ang gagawin nyo, instead ng everyone, i-friends of friends, then back. Tapos, check natin kung gano'n yung lalabas. Yung tatlong dot dito guys, puntahan nyo lang yung view as. Then, ayan. Lumabas na siya ng follow. So, ayan lang guys. Isi-step lang yon. So, thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like.